Go to the plane sprite. Unhide the plane. Drag the plane on stage to the center of the bottom. Get a when green flag clicked. Hide from player. Get another when green flag clicked. Wait until key spacebar pressed. Wait 0.5 seconds. This short period of time allows all the green lines reach the edge before starting the fight. Get a go to XY coordinate. Show to player. Get a forever loop. If left arrow is pressed, change x by -5. If right arrow is pressed, change x by 5. Test and see whether the plane can move left and right properly. We are going to make aliens onto the stage. Go to Alien Sprite. Get a when green flag clicked. Make a new variable called number of aliens. Set number of aliens to 0. Switch costume to alien. Hide from player. Get another when green flag clicked. Wait until key spacebar pressed. Wait 0.5 seconds. These 0.5 seconds are again let all the green lines go away. Go to x is -180 and y is 110. Get a repeat 8 times loop. Inside the loop, create clone of myself. Change number of aliens by 1. Change x by 50. Get a repeat 3 times to encode repeat 8 times. Outside and under repeat 8 times loop. Set x to -180. Change y by -40. Next costume. When I start as a cone, show to player. Now let's see if you can successfully generate a 3×8 array of aliens with different costumes in each row. We are going to make aliens move. Make a new variable called moving direction. In the alien sprite, set moving direction to 0 at the start of game. After when I start as a cone and show to player. Wait until number of aliens equals to 24. Get a forever loop. Inside the loop, if moving direction is 0, then change x by 1. If moving direction is 1, then change x by -1. If x position is greater than 215, which means nearly touching the right edge, set moving direction to 1. If x position is less than -215, which means nearly touching the edge on left side, set moving direction to 0. See if the aliens can move together from left to right and then from right to left continuously. Now we make the aliens move down every time any one of them touches the left or right edge. Make a new variable called moveDown. Set moveDown to 0 at the start of game. Inside the if x position is greater than 215 block, set moveDown to 1. Also inside the if block that controls moving right, set moveDown to 1. Outside the if block, if moveDown equals to 1. Change y by -10. Set moveDown to 0. Let's test the game. It seems that the aliens will move all together a little steps downward by running these codes. But you can see that only one alien is moving down. So where is the bug? Unlike the blocks that control moving left and right, we need to give a bit of time for them to move downward. So put wait 0.01 seconds before setting move down to 0. This provides enough time for Scratch to let all aliens moving down. Now it is working properly. In the next step, we make Player's Laser. Create a new sprite by pressing Paint. Rename it to become Player's Laser, or P-Laser for short. Draw a small horizontal green line and put it on the right side of the center of motion. In the coding page, get a when green flag clicked. Hide from player. Get another when green flag clicked. Wait until key spacebar pressed. Wait 0.5 seconds. Get a forever loop. Inside the loop, if key spacebar pressed, then create clone of myself. Wait 0.4 seconds. This waiting block controls the time interval of the plane's laser shooting. When I start as a clone, go to Back Layer. Show to Player. Go to Plane. This block lets the laser shoot out from the plane. Point in direction 0, which means pointing up. Repeat until touching edge or touching alien. Inside the loop, move 10 steps. Outside the loop, delete this cone. This cone block means that a laser is created from the plane and is shooting upwards. The laser stops and be destroyed until hitting edge or alien. Go to Alien Sprite. When I start as a cone, wait until touching player's laser. Change number of aliens by -1. Wait 0.01 seconds. Then delete this cone. Now you can shoot aliens. Here this 0.01 seconds allows Scratch to delete the alien cone. You can try the game without this short time interval, and you will find that the laser is not able to be destroyed and is hitting multiple aliens. Let's adjust the alien speed by making it move faster every time the number of aliens is getting less. Make a new variable called speed of aliens. Inside the forever loop, at the first line, set speed of aliens to 4 minus number of aliens over 24 times 3. So at the start of game, it is 4 minus 3, then it will slowly become 4 minus 0. The speed of aliens will change from 1 to 4 gradually. Inside if moving direction is 0, put speed of aliens as the variable of change x by something. Inside if moving direction is 1, put the negative of speed of aliens as the variable of change x by something. The aliens move faster as the number of them goes down. Next, we let aliens shoot back to player. Duplicate the player's laser. Rename it to be enemy's laser, or E-laser for short. Remove all the codes inside except when green flag click and hide from player. Change its color from green to red. Go to Alien Sprite. When I start as a cone, get a forever loop. Wait 2 to 8 seconds. Make a variable called x. And make a variable called y. Set x to x position. And set y to y position. Create cone of enemy laser. Go back to enemy laser sprite. When I start as a cone, Go to Back Layer. Show to Player. Get a go to XY coordinate. Put variable x as the x variable and put variable y as the y variable. Point in direction 180. Repeat until touching edge or touching plane. Inside the loop, move 6 steps. Outside the loop, delete this cone. The aliens can shoot, but nothing occurs when the laser hits the plane. The next step is to make the hit detection mechanism. Go to Backdrop Sprite. Make sure you have a variable called lives and set lives to 5. Hide variable lives. Go to Plane Sprite. Get a when green flag clicked. Wait until key spacebar pressed. Wait 0.5 seconds. Show variable lives. Repeat until variable lives is less than 1 or touching alien. Inside the loop, if touching enemy's laser, change lives by -1. Inside the if block, if lives is greater than 0, broadcast super unhurt time. Wait 2 seconds. It means 2 seconds of invincible time. You cannot deduct any more lives within these 2 seconds. Outside the repeat until block, get an if then else block. If lives is less than 1, then broadcast, no more lives, game over. Else broadcast, you hit alien, game over. In the same sprite, when I receive super unhurt time, repeat 10 times. Inside the loop, hide from player for 0.1 seconds. And show to player for 0.1 seconds. When you add them up after repeat for 10 times, it is exactly 2 seconds. Test the game and see whether the laser from enemies can do damage to the plane and deduct lives.